Hello, here we take a look at the user interface for the slider window tool. I highly recommend that you keep sections that are not in use collapsed. So we start off with the opening. This determines the ultimate size of the window. The tool also guarantees that no other attributes will affect this size. So once you set this, this is considered to be a kind of ground truth, if you like. Next, we have attributes for controlling the frame, so we can control the height of the frame, along with the appearance of the rails that run on the inside of the frame. Furthermore, you can also choose to add extra levels of detail around the frame by applying chamfers to various points. Next up, we have the attributes which control the look of the sashes within the frame. So we can control the number and things such as the frame height and depth to alter the appearance or look of the window. You can also affect various things around the glazing, such as the sills, the glazing unit type, the glass depth. You can determine which sash starts at the front or back of the window. And just like the frame, you can also adjust various points around the sash frame to apply extra levels of detail, here by applying, for example, a chamfer or a bevel. Next up, you have the option to add a seal. Again, you can add chamfers to the seal if you like. There's various attributes that you can tweak to create different looks, from a very short seal to a one that extends a much greater distance away from the window. Really a lot of controls here to get just the look that you want. Okay, and lastly, there's just one common attribute that enables you to turn off those magnified profiles that that we've already seen. Just like that. Okay, and that's it. That's an overview of the user interface for the horizontal slider window. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye.